day of every new calendar month, it's like Christmas when you're in the Viral Content Club, because on the first day of every calendar month you receive a PDF like this that you can see. This one is 29 pages and it has access to our new templates, our new monthly templates, our new bonus templates. So I thought as I was opening this and reading it through, I'd just share it with you, because it might help you to decide if the Viral Content Club is for you. So this is the start of the PDF, and we get a message. That's what I've just scrolled past. We get a calendar of what's going on each day of the month and in the month itself. And then we come to the template. So these are the templates that we're getting this month. We get them in two separate colourways, a pretty in pink and a darker shade. We also get, if you can see here, we get them in two separate formats. So we get a 1-to-1 feed post, so that's fully square, and then we get a 9-to-16 story template. So all of these templates are fully customizable as well. So if I just scroll through, we then get a monthly bonus, and this month is a killer bonus because we are getting, you can see on screen here, PDF workbook templates. So lead magnets, workbooks for your programs, anything that micro product, printed product, anything that you might want to create a nice looking PDF for. And we're getting two colourways of this one as well. You can see on the left it's pastel pink, and on the right it's darker, but everything is customizable. So if you want what's on the right in pink, you can just customize it for yourself. And so as we go through the PDF, so you click on these buttons, so click on that button there, it will open the template in Canva, and then you just click use template and it adds it to your Canva account. So that's what you do for each of the sets of templates in here. Four. One for the two different sizes and the two different eBooks. So let me get a PDF that goes through each of the templates and gives you ideas of how you can use them. Ideas for captions and ways that you might want to use the templates for yourself. And this is great as an introvert or as a generator, a manifesting generator if you're into human design, because as our flow is activated by being in response. So we can take the ideas that we are given in the ebook and in the templates, because these templates are, I'm just scrolling back, these templates have already got suggestions in them. So you can go with the suggestions that you're given or you edit them. So for example, this one here says what it takes to get you to the next income level. Well, you could adapt that to anything that has 5 steps in it. Here it's something that you don't like that you want to put in the bin, so you can just change the text, change everything can be changed. The images, the photos that are in here are for you to use. You can use them or you can replace them with photos of your own that you've downloaded from free image websites, or if you've got a subscription to an image website, or if you've got Canva Pro images that are in Canva Pro. So every template has suggestions that you can go through, and this is what we get at the beginning of every single month. So there's a 5C system that is in use that ensures that you communicate across, it's not just how-to content, it's conversation content, it's community building content, it's credibility content, it's conversion content, and each of those C's are all covered within the templates, and the templates themselves tell you which C they relate to. So it's just amazing, and you get this on the beginning of every month. There's also a little story behind the names of the templates, so each collection rather. So that's what this shares at the beginning, and you get this at the beginning of every month. So if you join, you can join the Viral Content Club as a quarterly member and as an annual member. If you join quarterly, you'll get access to the new collection at the beginning of every month. Then you download it into your Canva account and you've got it forever. So if you join quarterly, you'll get today's collection and you get the next collection on July the 1st. If you join the annual, then you get today's collection, but you get all of the others. And this is collection number 10 of the Viral Content Club. I've been there since day one of the club, and this is number 10. So if you join today as an annual member, you'll not only get today's collection, but you get all the 9 that come before it. To join as a quarterly member, it's $99 for the quarter. And if you join as an annual member, it's $299 for the year. So that's $30 a month, or $1 a day for content, graphics rather, that you can use to create visual content for your socials. And often what works for me is to look at the template, get the idea for the post, and write the post after, rather than writing the post and looking for the template. So if you're a responder type, an introvert, human design generator, or manifesting generator, that might work for you as well. You get, rather than start from scratch initiating, which isn't your flow, create from response, using the template as the activator. So that's a little insight into today's, this is June the 1st, 2021, today's collection. And these 3 ebooks, I've been waiting for these because they're going to be amazing designs. Let's just open it, shall we? Let me show you. This is what you get in all of these that you can edit for yourself. All with pro design, and then you just edit. You can edit anything. You can overwrite any part of this, but all the layouts are there for you. Checklist, awesome, yeah? So I'm very excited. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to play, and it will be good to see you in there if it feels like the right thing for you. I'll put a link under here where you can go and check it out. And there's also a 60-minute workshop that Katie and I did together if you want to learn more about the 5C system that is being used here to cover all of the 5 different areas that your content could cover. I said cover twice, but anyway, that's there. I'll give you the link, and you can check it all out for yourself and see if it's a fit. So $99 for the quarter, or $299 for the year. I'm actually a lifetime member. I've been there since day one. You can also, if you, I'm just looking at it, and something that's come up in my Copyright Academy group is images for testimonial. You can actually, if you've got Canva Pro, you can actually take this and resize it into a Instagram image and have use the 4 different layout here to have 4 different testimonials listed. Just an idea that came to me. There you go, like a bundle. So if you've got a program that you're selling, and put all the images into those frames. Anytime you see those clouds, if you're new to Canva, anytime you see this Teletubby image, that's a photo frame. You can put your own images in. You can put screenshots of your stuff, your lead magnet pages or whatever in here to help you promote. So look, exciting, right? So hopefully I'll see you in the club. Links will be below if you want to come and join us. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.